I want to be a big YouTuber. That's my dream.
Dream? Don't fool yourself. You can't do anything with YouTube. You'll stay a loser.
Wake up to reality.
पड़ोसी
क्या कहता था? क्या हो तुम? आज हम कहते तू क्या है बे?
So the components I chose to build my dream PC are shown in this list. For clarity, let me quickly open Text Manager. Here you can see my system specifications. The CPU is an AMD Ryzen 7 7800X3D paired with 16GB of DDR5 memory running at 6000 MHz. For storage, I am using an 1TB NVMe M.2 SSD and handling the graphics is the NVIDIA RTX 5070 Ti. Now it's time to test its performance. Now let's take a look at some performance benchmarks starting with Cinebench R23. On the single core test, the Ryzen 7 7800X3D scored 1748 points, which shows excellent per core performance. That's especially important for gaming since most modern titles still rely heavily on single threaded speed. On the multi-core test, this CPU scored 17,947 points. With 8 cores and 16 threads, it delivers strong multi-threaded performance. I know you are working hard to grow your channel, but remember, your health should always be your first priority. That's why I made a simple BMI calculator app just for you. Using this app, you can check whether your weight is perfect according to your height. Just enter your weight and height, it will instantly show your BMI and category, also show your ideal weight range. You can also save your BMI and weight by tapping the Save Result button. Then simply navigate to History section to view your previous records. This way you can easily track your BMI and weight over time. This app also includes wallpaper, theme, and font customization options. If you go premium, you will unlock an amazing graph showing your BMI and weight trends. You can view your weight in different units and see how much you have gained or lost in a specific month or year. You can even export your data and calculate your body fat percent. I think everyone should try this amazing app. Download link in the description and pin comment. I set my resolution at 4K. Okay, everything is an epic, and I just turn on the nanite virtual geometry, which is actually ray tracing, and everything is at set and epic. And I turn off the NVIDIA DLSS. Where is here we go? Here we go. Yeah, it's actually dropping from 50 right now. Okay. Ray tracing, and when we are in the water we got only 48 fps, which is definitely not good. If any player just attack me, I'm gonna die right now. Okay, just turn off the nanite virtual geometry. Okay, I'm gonna apply it and go to the back. Oh, thanks God. Oh. Whatever, right now I have okay, I have right now 116 100, I mean more than 110 fps. Okay, which is of course better than 60 fps. So yeah, if you okay, right now it's showing 48 49 fps, sometimes 43 46. when I come to the street, it get 55 and 54 fps. So yeah, just get some fps boost, but not that much. Now this is my favorite game, GTA 5 enhanced mode, and my resolution is 4K and everything is maxed out. I mean, totally ultra. Alright guys, you can see that my FPS is not dropping from 60. Great. Okay. And my GPU usage is 99% and its temperature is like 73, 75. Actually my room is really hot right now. And look at my GPU temperature, it's not actually above than 70 degrees Celsius, which is of course great, and that's why I choose our Ryzen 7 7800X 3D, which is really good for gaming. And I hope after a few months later I'm gonna open a gaming channel. What do you say? Okay, now we have to test our most gorgeous game is Red Dead Redemption 2, and as you can see my resolution is 4K and everything is ultra preset, and I just disabled the NVIDIA DLSS, so I'm gonna run the owner of the share. Okay, right now we have a very beautiful big city right now, and we got our FPS showing like 67, 68, which is not actually bad. And I also test this game with the DLSS quality, and it's just showing like 70 to 75 FPS, not that much boost. I have the 4K resolution in the advanced settings. Is everything is very high preset. As you can see that my FPS is not dropping from 150 actually. Okay guys, we have only 1 minute left. Let's see how many kill I got. 11 kill, not that much great. It's not actually dropping from 150 fps. And also this part is dedicated for Indian viewers, because Indian viewers play Free Fire a lot. Okay, in my BlueStack settings, okay, I'm gonna go to setting, memory allocate 4GB, and my frame rate is 240, and I'm going to display here. I said 4K resolution and pixel density is high. Okay, now in the lobby we get 230 FPS. Really great. At 4K Free Fire is really great, really good. And the good thing is it's not actually dropping from 200 FPS. And to be honest, I'm gonna say that in Free Fire more than 90 FPS, it's, I mean, it's not the real FPS. Okay.
Killing spree. Killing spree.
If you want the right way to upload shorts video, then watch this video.